Hi, I'm Dr. Chuck. Today I'm gonna show you how to remember glycolysis quickly. Don't push yourself. Treat yourself. Just enjoy this video. And I'm happy if you subscribe me today. Okay, let's get started. One of the purposes of glycolysis is to chop glucose into pieces and make a pyruvate. Pyruvate is a key intermediate in the synthesis of energy, fat, amino acid, glucose, and so on. There are four major names in glycolysis: glucose, fructose, glycerate, and pyruvate. Now let's start remembering the substrate names. Glucose is converted to fructose to prepare to divide. DHAP, GAP. Glycerate are intermediate molecules in glycolysis and converted to pyruvate. And it's also the intermediate molecules for triglyceride synthesis. Now you know glucose, fructose, glycerate, and pyruvate. Glucose gets a phosphate group to stay in the cell, and it's converted to fructose to prepare to divide. The phosphate group is at the same position, and it gets an additional phosphate. Now you can chop in the middle. DHAP, GAP. Once lead to glycerate. This is water, phosphenol pyruvate. Glucose is converted to fructose to prepare to divide into pieces. Don't you think the fructose structure is better than glucose? Glycerate are important biochemical intermediate in glycolysis and important molecules for biosynthesis of triglycerides as well, and is converted to pyruvate. Glucose easily gets out of the cell, so it puts a phosphate group to stay in the cells. Now glucose prepares to divide. Glucose is converted to fructose and gets an additional phosphate group. Now it gets 2 phosphate groups and 6 carbons. Oh, it's good to divide in 2 pieces equally. Fructose 16-BP divides in 2 pieces. Let's remember their names as DHAP and GAP in short. Phosphate groups move one-slightly to glyceride. It uses water and phosphenol pyruvate. Glucose, fructose divide, DHAP, GAP, glycerate, pyruvate. Glucose 6-phosphate, fructose 1,6 divide, DHAP, GAP, 1-slightly to glycerate, phosphenol pyruvate. I believe you will get a high score.